Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to restart Windows Explorer.exe. So click on Start, type here Task Manager, open Task Manager. Now here guys, in this list you have to find out Windows Explorer. So once you see Windows Explorer, right click on it, and guys, here is the option Restart. You can end task, and also here is the option Restart. So just click on it. So this is the basic and easy way to restart Windows Explorer.exe. Just right click on it and click on restart. So thanks for watching, and please comment this basic video useful for you or not, and this video tutorial will help you to know how to restart Windows Explorer. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.